Hi, my name is Ariel Lehaitre, physical therapist, Pilates instructor, and Pilates studio owner of Pilates Santé. And today I wanted to just review the most basic exercise for spine mobility called cat-cow for our Pilates Santé clients, but also any of you that may have some spinal issues that might feel stiff in your spine. This is also a great exercise to perform during your workday if you sit a lot. And so let's get started. We're going to start on your hands and knees. Hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. And we're just going to start here by rounding through the spine, looking toward the belly button, and exhaling, which facilitates that round back position of the spine. And then we'll reverse this curve slowly, drop the chest, reach the tailbone up into the air, and lengthen your neck forward. And we'll do this a couple more times, just rounding through the spine, looking toward the belly button, draw belly in. And then reversing the curve by inhaling, softening through the belly, reaching your heart through the frame of your arms. Now, if any of you are suffering from some sort of pain while doing this, or you have some bone density issues, we can consider modifying this. So what I'll do here is instead of rounding my upper back, I'm going to just focus on rounding through my lower back. Very gently, I'm going to shift my weight back for a modified cat. And then I'm going to shift my weight forward for a modified cow, where I focus more on my chest, my upper back extending, and not my low back. So I'm keeping my low back fairly still and emphasizing my shoulder blade thoracic area. And now I gently move toward moving my low back, my lumbar spine. And so this is kind of like a cat-cow modified with a little bit of a weight shift forward and back. I'm still exhaling as I round gently through my low back, stretch, no pain. And then I'm inhaling as I drop my chest, stretching through my upper abdomen, moving my shoulder blades toward each other. And you can do anywhere from 5 to 10 or so. Let it feel good. But really working with the range of motion that your spine needs. If you have any questions about cat-cow, please free to mention them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Follow us on social media or hit the bell icon for more free educational content here at Pilates Santé.